Alright guys, a quick one. Here, I'll detail how to change name in WhatsApp message yourself. So if at the end of this you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe. Now, to change name in WhatsApp message yourself, all you need to do is go ahead and open the WhatsApp application. So scroll to WhatsApp, open it. Once you open the WhatsApp application, click on the plus button. And then after that, you see select contact. Now to save WhatsApp contact or for you to be able to change name in WhatsApp message yourself, click on this search button. Go ahead and type in the contact number of the user whose name you want to change. So go ahead and type in the contact name of the user like this, and then select new contact. Once you selected new contact from the pop, go ahead and type in the name like that. Then type in the last name and then type in the phone number. After that, if the phone number is on WhatsApp, you see the phone number is on WhatsApp. Then click on save. Then you see contact save. Click on message from the pop, and then you see the message pop like this on your WhatsApp, and then you'll be able to message the person directly yourself. So that is exactly how to change name in WhatsApp message yourself. If you found this offer informative, please don't forget to like and then subscribe.